Hiya!
Hello!
So we've got some Harry Potter unboxings to do. So this one is going to be these little minifigures, and then after we have... Go under there we go. Wands. So we'll do the little minifigures first, then we'll do the wands. Right, so I'm going to open one first. Harry Potter.
So I'm just going to go through the characters.
Oh, yeah, I suppose I better, aren't I? So the top row here are all 1 in 6 chance, and we have Harry Potter, Cedric Diggory, is it?
Yep.
Yep. Fleur Delacour, and
Victor Crumb.
And then we have 1 in 24 for Grumpy Git, what's his name?
Argus Filch.
Argus Filch, I'm terrible with names. And 1 in 12 for his cat.
Mrs. Norris.
1 in 36 for...
Draco Malfoy.
Thank you, I forgot his name. 1 in 6 for one of Draco's friends. Any idea which one that one is?
It's Crab or Goyle.
And 1 in 36 for the other one that's Crab or Goyle. I never know which one's which. And then we've got 1 in 12 for Mad Eye Moody. 1 in 24 for Rita Skeeter. And 1 in 36 for Bitchface, also known as Dolores Umbridge.
Yep. Toadface.
Yeah. Open it, we'll be alright. Yeah.
Making that look like so much hard work.
It is hard work, shut up. Anyone mind if I beat him? Who do we have?
Start off with Harry.
Now that's a good one to start with, Harry Potter. Yay! Even it says Potter on his back. Can you see that?
So this is from the 4th film or book.
Cool. Next one. Your turn. See? See, he's taking the mick out of me. It's hard work.
Okay, let's see who we get this time. It is Cedric. So it doesn't have his name on it, but the colours indicate Hufflepuff, so I'm pretty sure it is Cedric.
Yeah, we'll assume it's Cedric.
Okay.
My turn. They don't want you getting into this, do they? If I had any nails that hadn't broken, they would have now. Yay! Dolores Umbridge.
Which is one of the rarest, because that's a 1 in 36.
Yay! How cool's that?
Thank you. Who do we get this time? Victor Crumb.
We've got some of the good ones.
So 4 for 4.
Victor Crumb was 1 of 6. So I get the last one of this one. I put them so they can be shown on camera when you move them.
I'm sorry.
I love you, really.
Yes, dear.
Okay, got it open.
So who will we get this time?
Who's the last one?
Argus Filch.
Yay, no repeats.
So that one was a 1 in 24. It's not bad. 5 boxes, 5
different ones. Awesome. They were quite cool. You got them out like. So
We'll just put them up to the top there. And then onto the wands.
we have some wands. Duncan gets to go first because I opened the last one.
So, on the wands, we get a choice of Harry Potter, Victor Crumb, Remus Lupin, Newt Scamander, Ron Weasley, Hermione Granger, Albus Dumbledore, Seraphina Peccary, not sure, Alistair Moody, and then apparently there's 2 by Sirius Black, which I'm a bit confused about, but thank you.
You should ever pull scissors towards you, always away.
Yes. Ooh.
Whose is that?
That is Dumbledore's, I believe. That looks like
Yep,
the
all the
Elder
dots.
Wand.
Yay, we got Dumbledore's first! Woo! Now these come with a stand, so we can put it on a nice stand. If Duncan can work out how it goes together.
Not likely. You do the clever bit.
It's not clever, it's got a slot to put it on, like, do we? There we go. That wasn't hard, was it? There we go.
So we've got the Elder Wand. These don't mention any rarity. So we don't know what the chances
Lay it
are of
down
getting
so people can
duplicates.
see it. So, what one do I get?
Ooh.
So, who's that?
I think that is Newt Scamander.
Oh, yep, that is, yep.
From the Fantastic Beasts series.
Do you want to try putting the stand together this time?
No.
It's a slot in the bottom, look! Just slots on. You see that without the stand. Again. How cool is that?
Okay, so the next one we've got. Another different one.
I think it's supposed to stand that one. I don't know. Does it show?
Let's see, who is that?
Ooh.
Is that Hermione?
Yeah, looks like it's Hermione's.
So it looks like we've got Hermione's. If I take it out of the bag.
Hand underneath it, they can focus on it instead of all the rubbish underneath. There we go. That's a pretty one. Yay, put it together. You're gonna smack me, aren't you?
Yes, dear.
Yeah, I can't. I think this because there's no. It's a bulk in it, bump in it. So I think the top of the wands kind of sit in it. I think that's how it's supposed to work. Let's have a look. No, because that one doesn't have a bulk. I don't know. I'm confused. Let's open this one anyway. This one's already been cut open. I hope no one's licked it.
Ooh.
So that one is Ron Weasley's from the looks of it.
Is it? Or is it Harry's?
Oh, could be Harry's actually, yeah. I ain't got my glasses on. No, Harry's has got 3 levels.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3.
Oh yeah, it has got 3 levels, I can't see it. Okay, so we've got Harry's. Yay! Really should put my glasses on. Never might be able to see things. There we go. How cool is that? Thank you. Yeah, definitely has to go that way around. We don't fit in the other way.
And the last one We get another different one. This one's silver.
Oh,
Lots of runes.
Sirius Black.
Yep, one of Sirius Black's. So there's some writing on it, runes or something on the handle. Yeah.
Okay, so lay them
Lay
down,
them down.
they can see them all. Oh, that one's running away. So we've got Sirius Black, Hermione Granger, which is, you've put your one in upside down. So Sirius Black, Hermione Granger, Harry Potter, Dumbledore, and who's the other one?
Newt Scamander.
Newt Scamander. That's not bad, is it? Got some of the good ones, which is all very good. So he's got his wand, but none of the rest have got theirs. Oh, such a shame.
Oh well.
But these are really cool. They're die cast ones, so they're actually pretty good quality. So I like them.
Yeah.
But I think they're supposed to stand up that way. Oh, it's going to fall over. There we go. There. They all stand up.
I shall take the Elder Wand.
I don't think so. I win.
She's such
There.
a bully.
So they were really cool. We'll probably get some more of them at some point. Maybe next month or something.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed them. Got anything to say? Or we're going to just say bye?
No. Bye.
Bye!